Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. I'm Ajinkya's Ajinkya's elder sister.
मराठीत बोलून
बबलूचं लग्न 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 एकदा बबलूचं लग्न झालं.
And one more thing that okay, Veena, you need to take care. Our cricket is on Thursdays, so please don't stop him.
Am I supposed to say hello and all? No. Hello?
Ajinkya, the undefeatable, and you deserve your name, dude. You rock.
He agreed to meet me in person.
अजिंक्य का शादी के लिए मुझे 22 देने बोला था.
And please give him permission. At 2:30 he'll be coming, so that is by default every weekends.
And Sunday we have a leather game.
So please, and he's a keeper for us, Mr. Dhoni.
क्या बोलूँ मैं? आप रिटेक लेना वापस. मैं सोच रहा हूँ. आप कर लो, डिलीट बंद कर दो.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन. अजिंक्यचं आता काय बोलू म्हणून त्याला आम्ही लहानपणापासून बबलूच म्हणतो, पण अजिंक्य आता तर नक्कीच बोलावं लागेल. काही नाही, खूप छान मला त्याला जोडीदार मिळाली आणि खूप म्हणजे म्हणजे त्याला जी आवडेल तशी ती त्याला सहचारणी मिळाली आहे आणि खूप खुश आहे तो. आणि बाकी थोडा त्याचा स्वभाव आहे थोडा असा रागिष्ट वगैरे, पण ठीक आहे. कधी कधी होतं, पण कधी कधी खूप नॉर्मल होतं. आणि माझ्याबद्दल तर खूपच त्याला खूप जिव्हाळा आहे.
About Ajinkya, to tell something is that Ajinkya's behavior, he is very angry, but he is very loving and caring. He loves us lot. He cares about everyone. Veena is a very good dancer. She's amazing. She's a loving person like my mom, and she looks after Ajinkya a lot. Finally, the day has come. We all were waiting for. We all were, striving hard to make this day special. Marriage, I don't know Ajinkya. I tried to tell him that there's nothing to worry, but he was very worried. What will happen? What kind of girls he will choose? Will she be able to get into a family or not? But we tried our best to explain him it's nothing like that. It's only listen to your heart. That's it. And telling about the marriage is really beautiful. The things are going very good here. The food, masti, dance, everything. We are enjoying this marriage very much. Ajinkya, all the best for your marriage, and have a wonderful life ahead. Beautiful life. Love you. I love you very much.
Ajinkya, the undefeatable, and you deserve your name, dude. You rock. Everywhere, whatever you do. Be it business, be it sports, be it driving, be it anything. You rock, man. You rock. तू हमेशा जीतता है और जीतता रहेगा. हम सब तेरे को हमेशा जीतता हुआ देखना चाहते हैं. एंड वीना, रियली, I don't know who is lucky amongst you, but yes, I feel somewhere you equally are lucky, both of you. You got Ajinkya, and Ajinkya, you got Veena. I know you will take care of each other like anything, love each other like anything, and prosper in your life like anything. All my best wishes are there, all my blessings are there, always with you. Cheer up, guys. God bless you. Have a blast in your life. Have a wonderful life. Love you both.
है ना, अजिंक्य जब भी वीना को देखता है सब भूल जाता है. So kindly adjust, okay?
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर.
फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है. शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है.
नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे. नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे. खसमानों का नहीं आयो मेरे डांटे और बाकी ना जमिया खिनाने ले जानिया है. बाबुल तेरे मेहरा विचो तेरी लाडो परदेसण होई है. तेरे शगन आदा छड़िया आवा सखियों नी मेरा सजना. नी मेरा सजना मिलन वदाया नी सजन रोड़ी. सजन रोड़ी लेके आना नी मेरा सजना.
It was on 20th of August. I met him for the first time, and that was a time where I could, literally just say that he is the guy who I can think about.
इनिशियली आई गॉट टू नो कि हमारा जो पैटर्न है कि पूरा फैमिलीज वगैरह मिलना है वगैरह, लेकिन आई रियली डिडंट वांट दैट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मीट द गर्ल फर्स्ट, मतलब जो भी हो. बट later I got to know कि she wasn't ready. She wanted the families to meet first, and then we'll be meeting, and then the process will start on and on. But finally, I'm really grateful that she agreed to meet me in person.
And from that day till today, it's been 3 months, and it's been an amazing journey with him. He completes me. The moment with him, each and every moment with him is very special. Right from the family, him and everybody are very comforting. They are very friendly. Everybody is very nice.
But overall, a very nice experience, जो भी है. And right through the process, I'm really grateful. I'm just waiting to start a new life.
Ajinkya has really made me feel how much he loves me. Especially the day he came for my mehndi on engagement. That was a big time surprise for me, which I'll never forget in my life.
तेरे शगन आदा छड़िया आवा सखियों नी सजना. चुन